Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited to do a brand new unboxing with the box, and it's called by Fashionsta. And I keep wanting to say Fashionista, but it's Fashionsta, and I love saying that. Fashionsta. Like, I don't know, I just I'm so weird. Don't mind me, guys, you'll get to know me. But it came from West Hollywood, California, and when I saw that, I was like, oh my god, it reminds me of when I went to school in LA. I went to school in Hollywood and I did theater there, so it just reminds me of it. And I fell in love with the subscription box anyways, just by knowing that. So I was like, oh my god, it's so exciting that it came from there. So yes, guys, let's get started. Ooh, okay, how pretty. Okay, this is the inside of the box, you guys, if you can see that. Cute wrapping paper. Oh, and we have a card. So it says, gratitude for being part of our glam fam. We hope you're staying healthy, happy, and hydrated. That's pretty sweet and cool. We're truly honored to be a subscription with a mission. With every box purchase, you're helping 1,736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies, with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. 1,736 Family Crisis is a non-profit organization based in Los Angeles with a mission to help people through crisis, including domestic violence and human trafficking. Wow, that's beautiful and just amazing, like that they do that, and that the money is going to families with crisis, and like, that's beautiful. I love that. And I think that's why, because I did hear about that and I was truly inspired by that. That's why I wanted to do this subscription box as well, to help people with that. And that's just amazing. I love that so much. Okay, and then on the back it has the prices of everything that we got. Okay, and this is the wrapping paper. Super, I love how and they have, that's pretty. They have like little confetti looking. One thing I love already from the bat with this box is how neatly they put things in here. Like, super cool, super nice. I love that. I don't like things thrown in a box. It just shows that you don't really care. And I love that. So first thing that I got is a beauty sponge. Oh, okay, so it's called Base Blue Air Sponge, which I have never heard of this. It says it retails for $8 and it's a full coverage sponge. So it flawlessly buffs and blends out heavy duty makeup formulas like foundations and concealers. Ooh, that's pretty cool. And I love the packaging. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh, this is different. I love it. The shape of it, it's soft. So basically it's supposed to blend out, you know, heavy foundation. So if you have a lot of foundation caked up and you can't blend it very well, then that's what that's used for, especially with concealer, to kind of smooth it out. So that's pretty cool. I love this. I'm always up for a new sponge. A lot of my sponges are like, let's see, this kind of shape, like a beauty blender, which I love. These are like my favorite kind. So this was pretty cool to get. I'm super excited for this. And also too, I'm assuming like if you wet it, it'll get bigger in size, because I notice a lot of sponges do that. So I can't wait to try this out. So that's super cool. Yay! Okay, so the next item that I have is We Are Wild. Ooh, and this is what it looks like. And it's called Solid Block. So it's a like a sunblock kind of thing. That's a cute packaging. And let's see what it says. We Are Wild Solid Block Mineral Sunscreen. Okay, so it retails for $26. This solid stick glides on smooth and feels invisible. appropriate for oily, dry, and normal combination skin types, formulated with non-nano minerals and the safest broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection, SPF 35. And don't call it sunblock. I just called it sunblock. It's solid block. Excuse me, solid block. Okay. It's vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, TSA friendly. Love that. I love that it's cruelty-free, vegan. I love vegan products. So let's open this up. Ooh, cute. And it has like little, okay, this is the packaging, you guys. And it has like little green dots on it. Okay, and this is the tube. Ooh, it smells like deodorant, like clean. Super. Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. I love that. And it's very soft, very moisturizing. So this is good for to put on if you're gonna be in the sun. You need to make sure that you have sunscreen on when you're out in the sun. It is very, very important to have that. Keep that in mind, you guys. Always put on sunscreen, because especially in Vegas, like, it is hot, like hot, and you gotta have sunscreen on, because if you don't, it'll damage your skin. It really would. So yeah, I love that I got this in the box. I'm super, super excited for this. Love this. Okay, guys, so the next thing that I got, ooh. Okay, so this is called Figueroa. I hope I'm saying that right. Figueroa. Okay, so so it's an Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream. Ooh, and this is what it looks like here. This is super neat, and let's see what it retails for. So Figueroa Eye Bright Coffee Bean. So it's $36. Wow, for this little thing. Wow. Ultra light organic hydrating cream formulated to renew, protect, and hydrate the delicate eye area. That's super cool. So basically, this will protect you from getting, like, say if you have wrinkles or like fine lines underneath your eyes, like it will protect that and kind of make it so that you don't get fine lines. Let's see. Oh, I love the pump that it has. Let's see. I'm gonna put it here. I'm just gonna do a little bit, you guys. Ooh, and this is what it looks like. Probably not too much. Ooh, it does not smell like coffee. I'm telling you that right now. It has like a clean smell to it. It's a different kind of smell. Very kind of moisturizing too, so it would go underneath your eyes. And this is kind of cool to have, like, and you want to just, it says to dab a small amount underneath around your eyes, gentle butterfly pats. So just pats. So this is super cool to have. I'm super excited to try this out. Next thing that I got, ooh, Moon Slice Beauty. I have heard of Moon Slice Beauty. I have seen their stuff online, and was kind of like intrigued to try their stuff, but I wasn't like too sure, so I was like, oh, I don't know, so I kind of just brushed it off. But the fact that it's in this box, I'm super excited. And it says it's an organic 18 botanical oil blend that is totally pure, which is the way your skin would have it. Created with nature's fruit basket with avocados, apples, watermelons, and everything in between to create a superfruit antioxidant potent that boosts radiance and balances complexion. So I love this, and this is what the bottle looks like, and it retails for $25. So it's like an oil, like a face oil, skin oil, moisturize. So you would like put it on before you put your makeup on. This is super cool. So let's open it and see what it smells like. Oh, this is a different, that's kind of weird. Okay, so I guess you would just kind of like dab it on, just like a couple of drops. And let's see. Ooh, that smells so good. Ooh, it feels nice. I love oils for my skin. Just keeps it hydrated. Oh, guys, it smells so good. Definitely fruits. I love that. It kind of reminds me of like fall. I don't know. That's my favorite type of season is fall. For all skin types, facial oil. And okay, so yeah, so you would do 3 drops onto clean face before makeup, just to basically add moisture to your skin. And this is awesome. Love this, you guys. Super excited for that. Next item. Ooh, the Habit, the Ultimate. Ooh, this is cute. This is the packaging. And it says Habit. Okay. Ultimate Multi-Use Cream. Ooh, so it retails for $28. A cream-based color pod made for use on lips, cheeks, and eyes with buildable coverage from a tint to bold color. The ultimate is blush, lip tint, lipstick, and eyeshadow. Ooh. All-in-one easy product, certified vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and packed with protective antioxidants and skincare grade ingredients. Love that it has cruelty-free, gluten-free, and protective antioxidants. I love clean products. Like, I just love makeup clean products. Love. Open this up and see. Okay, so this is gonna be one of those ones that I can't open. Okay, here we go. Can never open up small packaging. Ooh, how cute. Habit. Look at the packaging, you guys. Super cute. It has like Christmas trees almost on it. Looks like little leaves. Super cute. And this is the back with a little heart. Love that. And it's like a little, like a tube, like a jar, which I love. Ooh, super cute color. Definitely my color. Ooh, I love the smell too. It has just like it doesn't really have a smell, but it's like, you know what I mean, like a clean. Ooh, I love that. I love the color. This is my color. Love it. It's like a pink. Does it say it's like a cream color? Okay, yes. Cream base. Love this. I would probably use this for either like blush or a lip gloss. I would use this for. Definitely. I love this, and I'm gonna swatch. Ooh, it feels so nice, you guys. Look at that. It almost kind of looks brown, but it has like a brownish pinkish color to it, and I'm gonna swatch it. Oh yeah. Look at how pretty that is. Definitely brownish pink. Like, I don't know. It's a beautiful color. I love this color. Definitely something I would pick for sure. Super cute. I love that. So I would use this for like a lip, or like, I don't know about a blush, maybe like a lip. I would use this for sure. And you can use it for eye. You can use it for whatever you like, whatever your heart desires, whatever you feel like, boo. For sure. I love this. Ugh. Okay, the box. I'm loving you. For sure. For sure. Okay, everybody. So last but not least, we got, ooh, a palette. Yes, and it's from the Beauty Crop. I am very familiar with Beauty Crop. This is super cute packaging. Love this. Okay, so it says Sun Gazing Eyeshadow Palette. It retails for $24.50. Inspired by shades of the sun, our Sun Gazing Eyeshadow Palette features 12 buttery and highly pigmented shades in 3 different finishes. Velvety matte, creamy metallic, and long-wearing glitter. I love this palette already. Certified cruelty-free and vegan. Love that as well. Okay, I'm super excited for this palette, you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it's already, okay, so it's wrapped. Oh my god. Okay, let's see if we can open this up. Oop. I love the packaging in this. Super protected. Love that. Love that. Look at this. Okay, you guys, so it doesn't have a mirror, which is okay. that was really taped up. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at this. Oh, I love these glitter colors. I am a sucker for glitter, like I said before. I love the browns. The yellow is super pretty. I don't know why, but this palette reminds me of fall. Like I would wear it during fall time. I don't know why. It just seems like it. Definitely will wear it for fall. But look at these colors, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do a swatch. Oh my goodness, it is so buttery. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Wow. Super pigmented. Oh my goodness. These shades, you guys, look at that. Okay, let me do the glitter. Let me do the glitters. Look at that. Super pretty. Glitter eyeshadows. Look at that. Oh my god. And one thing about glitter eyeshadows, like when you swatch them, they're gonna end up like that for sure. You guys, this palette was beautiful. This is one of my favorite things that I got in the box. I will definitely be creating a beautiful look for you guys. And I also will be using this for fall time, Halloween, fall. Like I am just super excited to work with this palette. And yeah, you guys, my favorite thing besides the palette that I got was the lip balm, the Habit. And the color is super beautiful. Definitely my type of color. Love this. And also the solid block from We Are Wild. Love that. Especially when you're in hot weather like Vegas. This is definitely something that you need to use. Love this so much. The sponge, the air sponge, I cannot wait to try. I'm up for new different types of sponges. I love the shape of it. I'm kind of like really interested to see how it works on my makeup. So too, the Eye Bright Coffee Bean Eye Cream. Love this. I probably won't use this all the time, but from time to time I will. But I'm so excited that it came in the box. This is super neat, super different, something that I would never really pick up for myself. So this is really, really cool that it came in the box. And honestly, you guys, I love this box. I love that it does indie brands that you've never heard of, that you've never tried, that don't really get a lot of recognition that it should. And I love trying out new things. I love using different things, different type of makeup products. It's really, really good to branch out and try different things. You know, it's just awesome that, you know, you get to experience different products, different things, different colors, just everything. And I love that the Fashionsta box does that. And yeah, you guys, if you loved this video, please give me a thumbs up. And you know what to do, people. Subscribe. I would love to have you in my family. And also to click that notification down below so you can get all the new upcoming videos that I post. And if you guys are interested in signing up for Fashionsta, in the description box below, I will link that for you if you're interested in signing up. But this was an awesome box, and I'm so happy I got to show you guys all the products that I received. And yeah, you guys, I love you all. And as always, I will see you in my next video, so stay tuned. Love you all. Bye.